Hey, so I'm out here camping, and when you go camping, you gotta be prepared for bugs and everything. So I set my tent up. Um, I put Irish Spring shavings around the tent, make sure that keep the bugs away. But the other thing that I want to do is make this remedy real simple to make. It's 10 parts of witch hazel. Just put it in the water bottle. It's about a cup, and so it's about a cup to about a quarter of a cup. Yeah. So yeah, a little bit more. And then I got some lavender oil, just a little touch of that. And then we're gonna shake this up. And now I have a bug spray that is good for the skin. Oh man, take my glasses off because there's some bugs out here. Smells good, keeps the bugs away. Put some on your clothes. So now I'm ready to start cooking. So I'll be cooking, making some bread out here. I'm going to be making some popcorn as well, because when you go camping, you got to have the luxuries of being at home. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so now, before I start cooking, got to get me a fire going. And so what I have is some cotton balls with Vaseline. I'm just going to stretch this out like this. Spread it out. Then we get our striker. And we're just going to build a fire. Just that simple. You build it up. Get a whole bunch of little twigs first to get it going. Y'all ain't think I knew how to do that, did you? A little bit of moss on there. Then we start putting those bigger sticks on there. And that's how you build a fire. Okay, so my kitchen, just like at your house or in a restaurant, you got to keep your hands clean. So this is what I do when I go camping to make sure that I have clean hands, no cross-contamination or anything like that. So I have this bucket, it has water in it. But what I do is, you get a sock, you get a bar of soap, put that in there, and you tie it to the handle. Just tie a little knot in it, like that. Nice and tight, just like that. So you got your sock with the soap in it. It can be any kind of soap. I have Irish Spring because I use that a lot to get away the bugs. And then you go to the dollar store and you get you a plastic cup like this, and you poke a hole in it right in the front. And then to wash your hands, you scoop the water up, right? And then you hang it over the side, and then you wash your hands with the soap. like this. Oh, lather it up like that. And then you're done. And you put your cup back in there. Put the lid back on your sink. Done. Hands clean.